Find or read reviews that people are talking about Karlxtom, car battery jump starter with air compressor. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. All-in-one multifunctionality. This battery jumper starter portable combines essential features like a jump starter, high-speed air pump, LED light, and power bank. It eliminates the need to carry multiple single-purpose devices, effortlessly handling vehicle jump starts, tire inflation, device charging, and emergency lighting. Whether you're stranded with a dead battery, low tire pressure, or need to charge electronics in a pinch, this one device ensures peace of mind on the road. This car jumper starter portable features a built-in high-discharge lithium battery delivering peak currents up to 4,500 amp, enabling rapid jump starts for 12-volt car batteries, compatible with all gasoline engines and diesel engines under 10.0 liters. A single full charge supports over 40 uses, suitable for sedans, trucks, motorcycles, boats, lawnmowers, and more. Intelligent preset function automatically stops at target pressure, eliminating repeated adjustments and checks. Utilizing unique turbocharged technology, it delivers 45 liters per minute of continuous high-efficiency inflation for 30 minutes. Offers 5 inflation modes, up to 190 psi with parameter memory, 3 selectable units, and 4 inflation nozzles for versatile use on cars, motorcycles, bicycles, balls, and more. This jumper box for car battery portable features USB output ports and a Type-C interface, complete with a 3-in-1 charging cable. It charges devices like iPhones, laptops, headphones, and smartwatches while simultaneously recharging itself. Its compact, portable design ensures you stay powered up anytime, anywhere, whether on the road or outdoors. The jump pack features a built-in 500-lumen dual-core LED flashlight with 3 lighting modes, steady, strobe, and SOS. This versatility accommodates diverse scenarios. The steady mode is ideal for maintenance or camping illumination. The strobe mode enhances visibility along roadsides at night, while the SOS mode facilitates emergency signaling, boosting safety during travel and outdoor activities. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.